Hello all, welcome to my channel Codify with Sonal. Today the topic which we'll be covering is arrays in Java. If you want to check out the basic tutorials what we have done from start, you can check out the Java playlist which you can might be seeing here on the I button above as well as in the description box. So let's start. So first we'll discuss why array came into picture. Okay, so suppose if I say I want to store number from 1 to 10, you can have 10 variables. Okay, each taking value, each taking memory space. Then I say I want to store 20, I want to store 30. No, okay, you say 30 variables, 30 memory spaces. But what if I want to store 5,000, 10,000, or 500, something may bigger value. Okay, so arrays are used to store multiple values in a single variable. Now, in this example, we'll see this. So, int array nums. So now this nums can store up to 500, or like I do not have to have separate variables for each value. Okay. So to declare an array, define the variable type with square brackets. Square bracket is used to denote the array. To insert the values, we can keep it in brackets nums equal to curly, inside curly braces you can give the value, and similarly you can print using the index values. This we had seen in our Java basic syntaxes also. Okay, so we'll be seeing this in more detail in live demo. Now, types of array. So there are two types of array: single dimensional, multi-dimensional. Single dimensional, like this you can have it nums 1 2 3 4, and multi-dimensional, two dimensional, like if you want to store matrix. Okay, for that reason you can have multi-dimension. So we'll see a live demo on this. So here we are in our IDE, and I've already created a project about array demo. So let's go ahead and create a class array test demo. Okay, so array came into picture, why came into picture, we have seen all of it. So here we are in our class array test demo. So here I'll just create a main method and have an integer array where I will initialize it, suppose 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, so now how can we print this using a for loop? As we know, the index of array starts from 0, so int I equal to 0, I is less than array dot length I plus plus. Okay, and we will simply say sys out array of I, array at 0th position, so it will print 1, then 2, then 3 4 5. Okay, let's run this and see. Okay, simple way of initializing plus printing the array. Now you can print this using for each loop also. So what we will do is int I is to go to array in, so internally it will check in every array you have to go for the first element. So now let's go and print that first element, then second, third, similarly till the end of array. Now let's run this and see similar output. Okay, so if you want me to do a demo on 2D array, please let me know. Hopefully the session was useful, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment box below. I am also doing a tutorial on AWS. So if you want to check that out, please check out the links in the description box. Till then, stay happy. Let's codify with Sonal in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification of the updated video. Thank you.